Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Science Workbook 4, 5x5, Day and Night. Focus. Question number 1a. On the diagram, label the sun's rays and the Earth's axis and spin. B. How long does Earth take to spin once round its axis? The Earth takes 24 hours. C. On the diagram, color in the part of the Earth having night. So here we show color in the part facing away from the sun on the diagram. So this is the half of the Earth to the right of the vertical line. Question number 2a. Why does almost every part of the Earth's surface have some hours of daylight and some hours of darkness every day? The Earth spins on its axis and makes one complete turn in 24 hours. Almost every place on the Earth faces the sun and has day for part of the 24 hours. When a place is facing away from the sun, it has night. B. All the planets spin on their axes. Why do all the planets have some hours of daylight and some hours of darkness? All the planets orbit the sun. When parts of each planet face the sun, these parts have day, and parts facing away from the sun have night. C. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to spin once round its axis. Are the nights and days longer or shorter than an Earth? So, the nights and days are longer than an Earth. D. Jupiter takes 10 hours to spin once round its axis. Are the nights and days shorter or longer than an Earth? The nights and days are shorter than an Earth. Challenge. Question number 3. Earth is one of the planets in the solar system. All the other planets spin on their axes like Earth does, but they spin at different speeds. Look at the data in the table. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to complete one spin. This means one day on Mercury would be like 59 days on Earth. A. When a planet spins on its axis, what does the half of the planet facing the sun experience? So, when a planet spins on its axis, the half of the planet facing the sun experiences day. B. Which planet has the longest day? Venus has the longest day. C. If you live on the planet with the longest day and slept for half the day, how long would you sleep for every day? So, it will be 121 half Earth days. D. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter has the shortest day. If you live on the planet with the shortest day, how many hours would you be at school every day if, on Earth, you spend about 6 hours at school every day? So it will be 2.5 hours. Because 6 hours on Earth is 1/4 of 24 hours. So on Jupiter, 1/4 of 10 hours is 2.5 hours. 5.6. Investigating shadow lengths. Focus. Question number 1. The drawing shows the results of a shadow stick experiment. A. At what time on the shadow stick does the sun appear to be highest in the sky? 12. B. Does this result in a long or a short shadow? So, this results in a short shadow. C. At which times on the shadow stick does the sun appear lowest in the sky? 9 and 15. D. Does this result in a long or a short shadow? So, this will be in a long shadow. E. Describe the pattern in the length of shadows at different times of day. During the morning, the shadow becomes shorter and is shortest at midday. During the afternoon, the shadow becomes longer. F. Predict the length of the shadow at 18. The shadow at 18 will be beyond the shadow at 15 and much longer. Practice. Question number 2. Here is a diagram of the shadow stick experiment. Look at the position of the sun at 9. A ray comes from the sun and casts a shadow off the stick. Label 9. A. On the picture, draw the position of the sun at 11, 12, 13, and 15. Then draw the shadows of the stick for each position of the sun. B. What movement does the sun appear to make between 9 and 15? The sun appears to move across the sky. C. Does the sun really move how it appears to do? Explain your answer using your scientific knowledge. No, the sun only appears to be moving. It is actually the Earth that is moving as it spins on its axis. Challenge. Question number 3. Look at the pictures of a tree that are numbered 1 to 5. Each picture shows the sun in a different position in the sky and the shadow is a different length. Drawing number 1 shows 8 in the morning. A. Which drawing represents each of these times? 10. Drawing 5. 12. Drawing 2. 16. Drawing 4. 19. Drawing 3. B. Write down the 2 feathers that you used to decide which drawing represented each time. So, the 2 feathers will be the position of the sun and the length of the shadow.